Yes, so my country people, I throw a salute. Bournemouth 0 and Chelsea 0. And we get Oga Ose and may come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Ose, 5 games for the season so far. Chelsea get 5 points. How you see this kind of performance from your team?
Very poor starting now. Very poor starting for a team like Chelsea. But I don't see the shake. See the time. Yes. Because I understand saying on 53 we get, on 21, and youth team we get. So when you even look at our player, when you evaluate them with player like this Bournemouth, they are of equal standard. They never even did vast experience of these Bournemouth players. So, but as a team, at least when you team like Chelsea, as a player, you got to improve. Today getting very poor. I just got the honest. I see tiredness. Like from Enzo's side, I will say, okay, you come from America, do for yesterday, because of South America. They tired, so that players they tired. But that not be the reason why we're not supposed to feel match. Even from the draw, but more play fine ball. We say yes, I will dominate the ball. So far, to me, I won't reach on my as the poorest game so far of the season. To me, yes.
So you talk about the age of the players and the age of the team. So to you think say inexperience they affect this Chelsea team?
Yes, now very well. When you watch this game, even who would not play local football for yeah, who do local club that time. We get to kind of want to move when they try to move that time. Not this game now. As in the lack. First the pass for you, the to up in not a day. The linkage between midfield to attack not day. You got to say for our attacker, what do we name again? Just to fit touch ball, he dey come too deep. Because I know creative term if they hold ball, the link attack and midfield. So what do they lack? The movement of the player, Gallagher was poor today. Gallagher do well for 4, but we only play 10, so play very poor. I'm looking for our bench, no bench also. I don't know if any team will get injury set for the team already. The season never start. So I don't look at saying now the inexperience for the game they show, the movements they show, inexperience they show. So I see I don't I dey call the team now like all these smaller clubs. Because na the name of the club na big. The players individually, they be 6 more players under 21 or 22. Some na only 1 season, 2 seasons they don't play. So the experience and they show say they don't get them.
So I want to ask you about the manager. Some Chelsea fans they complain about the manager, but to you, how you see the work that the manager they do so far? 5 games into the season.
Like when I tell you, so you didn't expect the show. But if you look today game too, I don't see bench. We'll be honest now. Apart from Shiwe and like Martin, but Martin don't be bench now. Look at our bench line up. No bench. We don't get bench. It's not children food there. Small children food there. So no bench. So you don't get that as game bad. You don't get that like if you say people go for bench, so go change game. You don't do the bench. So I go still rate Pochettino as a better manager for Chelsea. Now with time now the mentality wey Chelsea don create be this one say we sign player we don win trophy. God don as we dey argue, our fans go dey talk say we need trophy. But if you really understand very well, Chelsea never play fine football for a long time. Our last 4 games, apart from this game, they fine football. We don't win. Play good football, like big team football. Sure they get the point. So for me, just not be the problem yet. The problem we'll get now is say the players individually they never play well. They not yes, they never do well. I have the truth, I have the honest. Because the tactics where you use to play 40 teams of this staff now. Play ball. So when you want me play again, and the players want to improve, tactics is there. You see the boy they play, score goal, now go don't feel ball. So I'm going to ball. So I think the player need to improve first before we blame coach. Yeah.
So Chelsea next game like against Aston Villa. What do you dey expect the team to do differently for that game? And what will be your score prediction for the game against Aston Villa?
We push Chelsea fan now to tomorrow. Chelsea go win that match. Now our last ball game with this one, think for me because
So from now on, now better performance you go to see.
Casedo now will come back from America. Go dey fit. Maduko will be fit. James, I guess he will come at that day. I don't know if he will stay more weeks too, but 6 weeks when they give him another complete that same next week. So the players, the injured ones will come. We not get many players that will they play, but those players will make difference. They will come. Broja don't resume training. So what you say now just between this period. From after this game go, things don't do well.
So score prediction.
I think we'll win 3-1.
All right, now I'll go.